guys, it's Ashley, and I just want to say in advance very quickly, if my laptop or my phone goes off, then that's what you're hearing. But hey guys, it's Ashley, and here I've got Kirby Triple Deluxe, and I thought I would film the first part of it for you, because I don't know how it goes, and I'm really curious. So, here we go. Hi, you can see me. Alright guys, there we go. Alright. Oh. Oh. I don't think I was expecting that. I don't know what I was expecting. Uh-oh. Oh no! They're taking King Dedede! Oh no! So I guess we have to go rescue King Dedede. Oh my god, that is awful. Hi! So yeah, that is the intro. Wow, that was something. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.